Welcome to BikeZone, where we bring you the latest news, reviews, and insights into the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we will be exploring the all-new 2025 Honda CRF 300L. If you've been eagerly waiting for a well-rounded dual sport bike that delivers on performance, reliability, and adventure, then this is the bike you need to consider. Whether you're an experienced rider or just starting out, the CRF 300L is poised to be the ultimate companion for off-road adventures and daily commuting. Stick with us as we dive deep into the details of this remarkable machine. Design and aesthetics. Visually, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L showcases the latest CRF family styling, with sleek and aggressive bodywork that's both functional and attractive. The new body panels are not just about aesthetics, though they're designed to improve airflow and make the bike more comfortable for the rider. The slim design allows for easy movement and control, which is especially important when riding in difficult terrain. The CRF 300L also features a redesigned seat that's more comfortable for longer rides, a crucial improvement over earlier models. It offers better ergonomics, providing a more natural seating position for riders. The seat height is still fairly manageable at 34.7 inches, which is ideal for riders of various skill levels, especially those who might be new to dual sport bikes. The new LED headlight, a feature carried over from the 2021 model, ensures better visibility when riding at night or in low light conditions. The CRF 300L also comes with a more substantial, durable skid plate that offers better protection when riding through rocky or harsh terrains. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is a new, larger 286cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is a significant upgrade from the CRF 250L's 249cc motor. Honda has engineered this power plant to provide more low-end torque, making it easier to tackle challenging terrains. The increased displacement doesn't just translate to more power on paper, it's designed to improve the bike's overall performance in real-world conditions. The 286cc engine offers a smoother and more responsive throttle, which allows the CRF 300L to accelerate with confidence on both dirt and asphalt. The engine produces approximately 27 horsepower, a notable improvement over the CRF 250L's output, making it more capable of handling steep inclines and demanding trails. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission, the CRF 300L gives riders the right amount of gearing for tackling anything from rocky mountain trails to tight, technical single-track. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L comes equipped with a host of features designed to enhance the rider's experience. One of the most notable features is the inclusion of a digital instrument cluster, which provides a clear and easy-to-read display. It offers key information such as speed, trip data, fuel efficiency, and gear position, all in a compact and user-friendly format. Additionally, the CRF 300L is fitted with a fuel injection system, which improves fuel efficiency and ensures a smoother running engine. The bike also features a 2.1-gallon fuel tank, which is slightly larger than the previous model, providing extended range for those longer trail rides. This, coupled with Honda's reputation for excellent fuel economy, makes the CRF 300L a bike that's ready to take you on long adventures without frequent stops at the gas station. Chassis and suspension. Honda has also made significant updates to the chassis and suspension system of the 2025 CRF 300L. One of the highlights of this model is its more advanced suspension, which is designed to offer greater comfort and control when riding off-road. The front features a 43mm inverted fork with 9.8 inches of travel, while the rear is equipped with a Pro-Link monoshock that offers 9.4 inches of rear-wheel travel. This combination gives the CRF 300L the ability to absorb bumps, roots, and rocks on rough trails, providing a more controlled and comfortable ride. The frame of the CRF 300L is lightweight and rugged, providing a balance between strength and agility. The bike's overall weight has been reduced compared to previous models, which enhances its handling and makes it easier to maneuver both on and off the road. The reduced weight also contributes to a more playful and agile riding experience, which is essential for navigating tight corners or tough trails. Overview of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L marks a significant evolution in Honda's popular dual sport lineup. It's an exciting update to the well-loved CRF 250L, which has been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike. Honda has managed to take the successful formula of its predecessor and refine it even further. With a larger engine, a sharper design and improved handling, the 2025 CRF 300L offers more power, better suspension, and an overall enhanced riding experience. Honda has kept the bike's approachable nature while making it more capable off-road and versatile for a variety of terrains. For riders who want a bike that can handle the rough trails just as easily as the daily commute, the CRF 300L is poised to be a strong contender in the dual sport category. Braking system and safety features. For a bike that's meant to handle everything from dirt roads to city streets, a reliable braking system is essential. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L comes equipped with powerful hydraulic disc brakes, which deliver excellent stopping power in a variety of conditions. The front features a 256mm disc, while the rear is fitted with a 220mm disc, both offering excellent modulation and feedback. Additionally, the CRF 300L is equipped with an anti-lock braking system ABS for added safety, especially on slippery or loose surfaces. ABS helps prevent wheel lockup during hard braking, which is especially useful when navigating downhill slopes or riding on wet terrain. While ABS is standard for the front brake, riders can opt to deactivate the ABS on the rear wheel for off-road use, giving them the flexibility to tailor the bike's performance to their needs. Comfort and ergonomics. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L is designed with rider comfort in mind, particularly when it comes to long-distance riding. The bike's upright seating position offers a natural and relaxed posture, which helps reduce fatigue on extended rides. The handlebars are positioned to provide optimal control, and the foot pegs are placed to ensure a comfortable and secure stance for both on-road and off-road riding. Honda has also improved the suspension's performance to provide a smoother and more controlled ride on a variety of surfaces. The rear shock, in particular, offers excellent rebound and compression damping, making it capable of absorbing large impacts from uneven terrain. Combined with the new, more comfortable seat, the CRF 300L offers one of the most comfortable and versatile dual sport riding experiences in its class. Pricing and availability. As of now, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is expected to be available at Honda dealerships across the United States by early spring 2025. The pricing is expected to be in the range of $5,500 to $6,000, depending on the region and any dealer-specific promotions. This pricing makes the CRF 300L a competitive option in the dual sport category, offering a good balance of performance, comfort, and value. Honda is also offering an ABS version, which will have a slightly higher price point. While the bike isn't exactly cheap, its performance and reliability make it a great value for anyone looking for a capable, long-lasting dual sport motorcycle. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is a remarkable dual sport motorcycle that combines the best of off-road performance and street-friendly features. With its updated engine, improved suspension, and ergonomic design, it's a bike that's capable of handling a wide variety of riding conditions. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of off-road riding or an experienced adventurer searching for a dependable bike, the CRF 300L delivers everything you need. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Zone for more reviews, updates, and motorcycle news. Let us know in the comments what you think about the CRF 300L and if it's on your list of bikes to check out. See you next time.